For a smartwatch to be useful, it obviously has to last you for a while between charges, so how long can you expect the Apple Watch to actually last you for? Well, as you can probably imagine, it depends on what kind of Apple Watch you have. Or well, kind of. For the regular models, they've actually been rather consistent in how long they last, around 18 hours or so, and that's been pretty much the target since even Series 1. Things do change a bit, however, with the recently introduced Ultra watches, which extend the battery life all the way up to 36 hours. However, if you're gone at the house for a long time with no actual way of charging your watch, well, thankfully it also comes with a low power mode, which extends the battery life even further, up to around 36 hours for the non-Ultras, up to 60 hours for the first gen Apple Watch Ultra, and the second gen one takes it even further, with up to 72 hours of battery life with the low power mode on. So it will actually go on for quite a while between charges, but what if you're still worried about how much juice your Apple Watch has left in it? What can you do to maybe extend that battery life even further? Well, when you're using it, you can simply close down unused apps by simply first clicking on the side button and then using the crown to pick and choose which apps you want to close. However, you can also go into the settings and do some other things, like for example reducing the amount of animations, disabling background refresh, lowering the screen's brightness, as well as even disabling the always on display. And while 18 hours might sound like a lot, in the world of smartwatches, it really isn't. The latest Galaxy Watch from Samsung can easily last you a couple of days. And if you want overkill, how about a Garmin Venue 3, lasting up to 2 weeks on a single charge? And then there's the venerable Fitbit with the Versa 4, which has a large enough battery for about a week without actually charging it. So that is pretty much everything you need to know about how long your Apple Watch battery should last in theory, and also how it compares against some of the other guys. If your Apple Watch is still lasting a bit less than that, then you can try some of those other steps I mentioned, or maybe the battery itself needs replacing if you already had it for quite some time. So if you found this video helpful, maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.